well, my Garmin has just called it quits on me. So I'm using my phone. I don't usually rely on my phone a lot, but okay, it says I'm close. Okay, so I am in a pine tree area. I am 6 meters away, and it's telling me to go over there. Oh, okay. I think I got it. It's camouflaged as a pine cone, but it's the container. That is a cool container. I like that container. I'm gonna sign the log and head to the next one. Just got to my next one. I'm 2 meters away. And this is called Subreiro. Subreiro is the cork tree. And the hint says around the floor. There's that stick on the floor. Let's have a look at that stick. Oh, look at that. See? Camouflaged as part of the tree. Alright, good find. This is my 18th cache today. Let's have a look. Oh, it's in plain sight. This is what we're looking for. One more. I'm gonna sign the log and head to the next one. 19th cache of the day. The hint says post. There's no other posts around. I mean, it's the only one, right? So can't miss it. I wanted to show you this one. I already found it, but it's one of those that are, you know, clever. See the cache? Found. Another one for the collection. So the coordinates have brought me to this residential area, and I think I found the cache because it's in plain sight. Let's get these plastics off. Let's see. Let's bring it over here. I'm gonna open it. Wow. That's a lot of marbles. That's a cool logbook. Made out of wood. Oh look, there's a trackable. There it is. That's the logbook. Alright, cool. Like it. Good job. I stopped here because I have a cache to find. Only 14 meters away. Headed that way. Okay, so the coordinates are pretty much dead on. 1 meter. Wow. Okay. And I'm taken to this tree. As I look up, behold, a squirrel. Let's get that little sucker down. There's the squirrel. And there's the cache right underneath the squirrel. Hey little guy, you gonna let me sign the log so I can go on my way? Awesome. Great cache. Ready for my next one. I'm at another one. This one's called A17, which is the name of the highway that passes by. Coordinates are pointing right up there, and the hint is behind the reflection. It has to be that. 7 meters that way. Well, it's got those reflectors. That one's got a rivet, and that one's got glue. And this is all scratched. So, just a little nudge. Oh yes. That is nice. Check that out. Awesome find. Love that one. That one's gonna get a favorite point. And now, I'm gonna place it back. We're almost arriving at another cache. Oh wow, I think it's right here beside this pine tree. Because the cache is called Pinus Pinaster, and it makes a reference to a big pine tree. Okay, so I don't think it's this one. I think it's the one up ahead. So I got 6 meters, and it brings me to these 3 big pine trees. I can see something in the middle. Could that be our cache? Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. That is, I really like that. Very cool. There is my cache. Awesome find. Really cool container. Another one from my collection. Gonna sign the log and be on my way. I'm on my 24th cache, and this one is called Are You Bored? Here's another cache. I'm translating it from Portuguese. Coordinates lead me here, and the hint says on the post. Yep. Do you see that? You got a stick, and you got the cache. There's another one. Let's go to the 25th. This cache is called Barradas, which is the name of this town. And this is one of those simple park and grab. Right behind there we have, it's magnetic. Okay, we're at another cache. As you can see, I'm using Sigio right now. I was using the official geocaching app, but for some reason it was crashing on me, so I went back to Sigio. I've been trying to decide which one is actually better. The cache is called Amor, which means love. This is actually the name of a town here in Portugal, in the city of Leiria. Look, there it is. We got the cache. It's another one of those tubes with magnets. I'm gonna sign the log and be on my way to my next one. Just got to my next one. Coordinates are a little bit off. They're pointing me that way, but I've been going back and forth on top of this huge bush of thorns. I was looking up. There's a little bottle up there. Now, I can't reach that. I'm gonna try to climb the tree all the way there, all the way up to the cache. Let's see if I don't break my face. Came up the tree. There is what I'm looking for. There's an ant colony here that's not very happy with my presence, so I'm gonna try to be quick and leave their home alone. I didn't break my face, at least not yet. I still have to get down. Big success. Didn't break my face. So this is the 27th cache for today. Let's go to the next one. GPS is telling me that I'm almost 5 meters away. 2 meters, 1. What's that? That seems to be the container. They broke it. Oh, wait a minute. That should be the substitute. Let me get that. So I'm guessing that's the original one. Ouch. Ouch. I guess it got damaged, and this one is the substitute. GPS tells me that I'm almost 1.5 meters from it, so let's have a look. The hint is at its base. I already saw a yellow lid. Yes, that's the cache. I'm gonna get that and cover it again. You know what? I think this is the last one. So, check. So this cache ends this day's geocaching adventure. I had a lot of fun on my bike. Got my butt whooped. Till next time. Hope you guys enjoyed all the spoilers. Done. Big thumbs up.